Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to see how I created this nail art design only using some of the affordable nail art tools. Just kidding, just using these nail colors and some toothpicks. Without any further delay, let's move on into the video. First, I'm going to remove any excess polish which is in my nails with a cotton pad dipped inside a nail polish remover or acetone. After removing this, I'm going on with this base coat and applying it in the nails. This base coat actually makes our design to last longer and also protects our natural nails. After you apply this base coat, you can move on with applying a base color, and here I am going to choose the white color as my base color. You can use whatever color as your base color. Apply 2 or more coats, whichever is favorite for you, or if you want the color to be light you can apply 1 coat, or you can apply 2 or more than 2 coats. Now we are going with the dotted design, and for the dotted design I am going to use the front edge of this toothpick dipped into the pink color and keeping small dots. I am choosing the thumb finger for doing this and keeping small dots. The dots need not to be in a straight line. It can also be in a wavy pattern, cause imperfect ones gives the best design ever. Take the front tip of the toothpick, dip it into the black nail color and give the dots like how we did it for the pink one. Repeat this process until your nails are almost filled with the dots. Now do it as I'm doing it. Be very careful while keeping the dots. Don't smudge both of the dots with each other, then your design will be demolished. Yeah, I'm almost done with doing the dots. I'm choosing the little finger and the thumb finger for the same design. And yes, the design is finished almost, and the design is done. Now let it dry. I'm repeating this same process in my little finger and also allowing it to dry. Now we are going into the next design, which is a peacock design. This design will be little interesting as it was for me, I guess. Now take the back end of the toothpick and dip it into pink polish and keep dots like this in your ring finger. Be very careful and patient while you keep the dots, because if you smudge off the dots then your design is completely destroyed and you have to do it from the first. And yeah, repeat keeping the dots like this until you finish off with the whole nail of yours. And now we are going to take the back of the toothpick and dip it into the white color, and I'm going to give the same dots as I did it for the pink, but the pink color should not go off fully. Keep the dots in such a way that your pink and white color should be visible. Similarly, apply it for all the pink dots. For this nail design, the main thing you have to follow is to be very patient. Then only you can finish the nail art perfectly and beautifully. Now take the front tip of the toothpick and dip it into the black nail polish and keep small dots in the corner of the design. You can choose the top corner or the bottom corner, but be very careful while applying the dots. And yes, almost your design is ready, and this peacock design is ready. Let it dry. And also I did the same design to the forefinger. Now we are moving on to the dotted and peacock design. I am choosing the middle finger for doing this and taking the front tip of the toothpick dipped into the pink polish and keeping the small dots like we did it for the dotted design. And now taking the black nail color with the front tip of the toothpick, and I'm keeping the small dots like we did it before for the dotted designs. And repeat this process until you finish the half of the nail with this, because we are going to do half of the nail with dotted design and half of the nail with peacock design. And for peacock design, take the back end of the toothpick, dip it into the pink polish and keep big dots like this. And after keeping dots with pink polish, take the back tip, dipped into the white polish and keep the dots like this without filling the pink color fully. Take a front tip of the toothpick, dip it into black polish and keep the small dots filling the corner of the design. And now let this design dry. After all the design dries, fill it with a top coat so that your designs are not disturbed, and let this top coat also dry for a minute. And that's it. Your nails are done with a perfect and beautiful nail arts only using the toothpick. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you are a foodie and if you are interested in cooking, I have recipes also for you which I have linked in the description. You can also check it for that. And thanks for watching. Have a good and great day. Thank you. Bye guys.